Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to see one of the troubleshooting step that might be useful when you are handling with the Cisco ISE. Yes, with Cisco ISE we can do a lot of features like attack authentication, radius authentication, network access control, PX grid and so on so forth. Different features are there. But if you ever undergone with any authentication protocols that are not working, say for example Radius or TechX, you have a easy option within ISE to ensure that the credentials are passed by the source and the source username and password are correct or not. We can easily identify that by parsing some troubleshooting steps that I'm going to show you now. Okay, we are on the Cisco ISE console, and just for testing purpose, I'm going to log in one of the device which is for which I'm going to use my credentials for fake credentials to show you that the ISE server is trying to authenticate, and then since the password is wrong, it is going to anyway not allow me to log into that device. So in that scenario, we can come to know what credential I have inputted for that device, and we can see that in a little bit. So here is the quick demonstration. Logging into the device, inputting my credential, some fake password. So it will let me know, it will throw the error as access denied. It's because I'm inputting the wrong credentials. In your case, if you're using the right credential and it's not authenticating, here is the step we are going to follow and see how to ensure the device is accepting the correct credentials when it receives on the Cisco ISE side. Okay, go to operations, go to troubleshoot, diagnostic tools, which would come under operations, diagnostic tools. Once you are on that section, click on the TCP dump. Based on the server, server interface, you will have as many interface for your network. Here, I have only one network interface card assigned to this server. So default it is selected. Just click start and try to re-authenticate to that same device that you were trying to log in before. It will again try to authenticate me through ISE. It's again through the same error as access denied. It's because I have inputted wrong credential. And if you go to the log section by following operations, and if you are using Radius, click on the live logs, Radius live logs, or if you are using TechX, click on TechX live logs. So here I'm using Radius for authentication. So choose that and filter the username or in the identity filter column, input that. So right now, just now I inputted the wrong credentials. This has thrown this as an authentication failed. In the detailed report, you will be able to know a little bit more information and that specific which event it has been attempted. The event name, and then the authentication policy, authorization policy that the traffic went through, and authentication details. In failure region, it mentioned that as a user authentication against the Active Directory failed since user has entered the wrong password. Remember, I voluntarily entered wrong password, but in your case, if you are using the genuine password, even then if you are getting the same reason, maybe there could be a different reason also. We are going to find out in a real quick. Okay, so we have ensured that here, but you wanted to go a little bit further on the troubleshooting side. So for that, what you should supposed to do, you have already, you have already started the TCP dump, and I have already initiated the authentication traffic. Let's stop this here and then download it. All you need Wireshark to be installed in your machine. If you have Wireshark already installed, the TCP dump will be downloaded in a PCAP format. Just open it. When you open it, you need to go to Edit, Preferences, Protocols. If you use TechX, select TechX, or if you use Radius, choose Radius. Okay, once you selected Radius, you need to input the shared secret that is configured for this RADIUS authentication. The shared secret is something you'll be able to find where the device is configured. Okay, so I'll quickly go back here. So say for example, I have tried to connect 10.199.51.43. So let's verify what is the RADIUS shared secret has configured for that device. Go to administration, network devices, filter with the IP address, and then click on the device, and you will be able to identify the RADIUS secret, the shared secret. So this has to be same. Okay, so you inputted that already here. Okay, click on OK. Go back to your Wireshark console, type ip.add or space equal to then the IP address that you try to connect, 10.199.51.43. Click enter. Select the app request and click on the RADIUS protocol. Go down further, you'll be able to see the TCP dump output has decrypted the information that you have inputted. So this is the password that I have inputted as part of this user ID. So in this way, you can able to ensure that whatever the input that you are giving from your source machine on your PuTTY console is exactly received on the Cisco ISE server. In that way, you'll be able to identify there are no jumbles are happen in the transaction between the source machine to Cisco ISE back to Active Directory. So I hope this troubleshooting step must be useful for you. We'll catch up in the next video. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video, and please like, share and comment, and subscribe to my channel.